All right, and let's do day number 4. I can't open it. Okay, now this one I'm assuming is going to be Hermione. Day 3 was not Hermione. Oh, good. Okay. Very cute. Absolutely adorable. I really love these Funko Pops. They're so cute. All right, let's store you back in number 4. Again, because I have no clue what I'm going to do with this yet. Hopefully, I will figure that out soon. Good morning, good morning. So, on the agenda today, I've already done a bunch of the dog-related stuff and the family-related stuff. We played Fall Guys a little bit because, you know, we're now addicted apparently. So, I do have obviously Black Friday orders to get through. So I have a big list today for things that I need to print and cut and stencils that I need to make so that I can fulfill those orders. I'm actually doing things pretty ahead of schedule. So I'm thrilled about that. My goal was to get all of the patron Black Friday orders out by the end of the week, and then to get the stencil only ones out by the end of the week, and then moving into other things that I don't already have print and cut. So I do have a huge list of things to get done. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that stuff. Hopefully my husband will do the Q&A later today. I just asked him and he said maybe, so I don't really think he has a ton planned for today. So hopefully we can get that done today as well. And then I do have a lot of cleaning to do. I need the Roomba to run pretty much all day. And I need to figure out what I'm making for dinner at some point. So I probably have to run to Wegmans or Tops, which are our grocery stores, and do that. So, oh, and then I have to set up my traveler's notebook. I don't know if I'm going to show that in today's video or tomorrow's video. It depends on if my husband does the Q&A. So I'm going to definitely set that up today though, because I did not set up pre-December and it is December, 3rd now. So I really need to get that done. So I'm going to go ahead and get on to it and bring you along for the ride. So I have stickers going, and I came in here to use the heating pad, but Malia is taking up the whole bed. Hello. Hi, honey. Mom needs to use the heating pad. My back is still so bad. I've been taking anti-inflammatories, and this is the first time I'm using the heating pad, but I've been using the massager, and nothing's quite working, so hopefully the heating pad will work. Okay, so because I haven't set up my traveler's notebook for my business stuff, I decided to go ahead and do that today. I'm using my Galactic Dreams kit from last year, which I'm really excited about. I was trying to figure out what kit I wanted to use this month, but none of them really felt right. So I just went with this one just because I like the colors in this. So I'm going to go for it, and hopefully it's going to turn out well. So one of the things that I really like about this kit is that I already have like a quote that is available So I'm just going to peel this off and go ahead and stick it down on this page and then start with my normal setup on the next page. So I don't do this often, but I'm gonna actually kind of slow it down and talk through it while I'm setting up, just because this is a vlog, so I don't think that hurts too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Tuesday, which was the 1st. Christmas really on a Friday? Who knew? Oh, hi Max. Come here. Come on. Do you want to say hi to vlog? Go ahead, say hello. Say hello. Say thank you to my dad who got me a new cat hangout under the stairs, and I feel like Harry Potter, but like I feel like a loved Harry Potter, not like an abandoned 11-year-old under a staircase, right? Okay, I'm gonna go through and highlight the weekends. I don't know why I do this. I think it's helpful for me to differentiate the weekends from the weekdays, mostly because I don't usually do a ton of content on the weekends. I do a ton of live streams on the weekends though, so that will usually change some stuff for me. This month is weird because I have to get a bunch of stuff out early. I'm also not gonna, I think I might put some goals down, but they're not gonna be related to my shop, just because my shop is going, yes, hi Max. My shop is getting shut down on December 11th for the rest of the month. So I don't think I'm gonna do a ton of goals related to that. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I mean, I like tracking goals just in general. I don't know, this month feels weird. A lot of it's gonna be prep for a sale I'm having in February to celebrate my shop's existence. I had my business start, February of 2016, 2017. I'll have to double check, but the shop's anniversary is in February, so I do want to do some sort of fun goals for that. Let's go ahead and do like the opposite on this side. So I really liked last time when I did this, I used these like flags for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use like these bubbles. Then I can just put this down like it's like the thought bubbles, and then I'll probably put a quote down here for something. For some. Do the same thing over here, but with my normal review, which is my social media review, which honestly does not go well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So that is the monthly goals, monthly review. Again, I have not thought about the goals at all. So I don't think it would be helpful for me to just kind of think about it now. I can look up a dreams quote. So set your goals, make your plans, chase your dreams. That seems pretty on point for this. Doing my December Vlogmas Traveler's Notebook setup.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi.
I'm totally putting that in the video. And your fart.
Rudy
I'm also
Giuliani. Unfold Rudy.
All right, so that is the content calendar for December, and I will go ahead and add in some other decoration. All right, and that is it for the setup. So we have the main first page, which has this Hollow December, my calendar for my content related stuff, particularly for Patreon, and then for videos, a quote page We have the monthly goal section, which I will go back and fill in once I figure out what my goals are. And if that's not a mood, I don't know what is. Then we have the monthly review for my social media, a master task list section, and a section for YouTube videos. So a section where I can jot down Vlogmas ideas, and then the videos for the rest of the Fridays / Thursday, because I didn't realize January 1st was on a Friday, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And then whatever else I happen to think of during this month, I'll add in afterwards, but it's a little bit different of a setup just because I'm going to try to relax and do a lot of prep for future months versus a lot of orders, because of course the shop is closing on the 11th and it won't open again until the 8th of January.
We're out of the saddle a couple times. Optional. If you're staying seated for this line, that's fine. When you stand up, ask 2 to 5. With love. With confidence. In 3.
Hey Malia, where'd Daddy go?